Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about front elevation tile designs for home 2023. Did you know elevation tile design play an essential role in architectural design? Elevation tiles make a statement of style and sophistication while being functional. Let us explore many options of elevation tile design that breathe life into your facade, from classic elegance to contemporary chic, enhancing your home's curve. Furthermore, they allow architect and homeowner to achieve various design goals because the tiles come in multiple sizes, material, color and pattern. What are elevation tiles? Elevation tiles are also facade tile are exterior wall tile are specially designed tile designed primarily to enhance the aesthetic and appearance of a building and external wall. These tiles are created for external use and serve decorative and functional purpose while providing primary function including weather protection, insulation and preventing moisture penetration. Finally, elevation tile significantly impact the overall appearance and durability of facade of property, making them a popular choice for commercial residential building. What are the advantages of elevation wall tile? And there are several reasons and advantages why elevation wall tiles are popular choice for enhancing exterior of home and building. Here are some of the prominent benefits of using the elevation wall tiles as well. And then after that, latest house front elevation designs include front elevation tile design for home, and the front elevation tiles design for your home create an outstanding first impression that welcomes you and your guest into your home. It can be creative canva where style meet function beautifully. You can create a facade that reflect your personally and personality and complement your architectural style using various material, pattern and color, from sleek modern color to classic charm. Thank you so much guys for watching our videos, and for more videos and updates you can also subscribe my YouTube channel as well as press the bell icon so that when we upload our content it reaches to you as early as we upload it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you so much.